Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a homepage on the application of a Chase app. You will go to settings. Here in this first page, you will find here settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Chase app and you will click here. Then this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store and you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.